Check out this Land Rover 2016 Range Rover Sport 3.0L V6 turbocharged diesel SETD6. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Enjoy these notable features: satellite radio, navigation system, panoramic sunroof, rear view camera, heated seats, 4x4, blind spot assistant, cooled seats and parking distance control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.